how the free Carta migration works. How does the free migration from Carta actually work? Because I think the thing that keeps most people on Carta isn't loyalty. It's the fear that moving is going to be this huge, painful project. So let me take that fear apart step by step. Here's the whole thing from your side. You export your data from Carta. That's basically your entire job. One export. Then our team takes over. We reconcile every single row, your shares, your safes, your options, every vesting schedule, line by line, so it matches exactly. We're not just dumping a file and hoping we're actually checking it. Then you review it before anything goes live. Nothing here is a black box. You can see your cap table in Cake, you confirm it's right, and then you're live. Simple cap tables moves in a couple of days. More complex ones, 3 to 5 business days from when you send the exports. So it's days and it's not these months. Big project. And once you're over, your cap table is the single source of truth. Your fair market value, your grants, your documents, they are all in one place instead of scattered across Carta exports and email threads and a spreadsheet someone made in 2023. That's really the point of all of this. We do the heavy lifting on purpose, so the cost of switching, the thing that's actually keeping you put, just stops being a reason. So if the only thing keeping you on Carta is the hassle of moving, now you know what moving actually looks like. Day 1 to day 5, we will handle it. The full walkthrough is linked below.